I don't know what we'd have done if we hadn't got you back.
The feelings I had thinking we might not ever see you again.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
Love of my life, love of my life.
It's only because you're on the team that I'm here.
That's gay.
I've connected the two dots.
You didn't connect shit, but
I've connected them.
I'm a homosexual. It's no longer subtextual, but I'm a homosexual. Inside my head is 8 degrees.
I'll wait until I teach you how to use your heat vision. Cold coffee? Not anymore.
I'm a homo.
look at that smile, beautiful.
Before I go, I'd like to see what my daughter's been up to here on Earth.
I think that can be arranged.
Don't worry. I promise no one will even know I'm there.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Am I wowed? No.
Nervous. You know, I disappeared without a trace. I'm surprised I still even have a job. Or I will get a new staff.
Hi, Andrea. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, come on, Uncle Archie. Hi, Kara. Morning.
He said he would take everything off the record. He would deny everything. It's the funny thing about these resistance leaders. They think they want fame, but their lives depend on secrecy. Oh, I don't think I ever want to hear the word phantom ever again.
Phantom attacks. The phantom attacks. Phantom. Phantoms as it relates to phantoms? Unless for some reason you have a problem covering the phantom.
They do the Harlem Shake.
Hey, Flop.
Oh, hi. Thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
You have to stop it. This doesn't have an easy fix. It's a complicated problem.
5 minutes later.
Well, just as I thought, trash.
We're here to talk about...
You sacrificed yourself to save us. You were a hero, Father.
But did you notice something strange? This used to be me.
Medusa. A weaponized virus that I created in defense of the planet Krypton.
Any questions?
Wait a damn minute. What?
How are you doing? I'm fine.
How did you know? I love this song.
Yeah, I'm fine. I don't want to talk about it. No. No, of course not. Wait. Isn't that how we defeated the Phantoms?
Sure.
Right. Determining who's responsible for these so-called garbage islands proves just as messy as cleaning up the islands themselves. You sound like a human sleep aid.
That's what I'm here for.
You thought I'd eat the cake? What am I, an animal? Kellex. Just with some ugly 80s style shoulder pads.
I would hardly call it an upgrade.
Oscar is converting the garbage even more efficiently than Zor-El's model suggested.
said, did you?
I meant every word.
Brainy, are you okay? I'm sifting through trash. Just a little further to Kellex.
I get knocked down, but I get up again.
Well, a big hetero hello to all of you. Glance, 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 glance.
I don't want to be alone anymore. You are not alone. You've got me.
Are you happy now? Are you happy?
I'll show you, chopstick.
What is that? Oh shit, what is that?
Supercorp Endgame.